Alright, here are a couple of units at an office building. There's a Trane XL1200 heat pump. It's for 1986. Oh, it's for 91, and it's 2.5 ton. These units were actually filmed before by elevators, escalators, and more. There's an old GE. It is all the way on the bottom. There's a 2010. That's 2.5 ton, 31,000 BTU. There's a 2017. Nice and hot. There's one final classic or platform or whatever you want to call it. These are all heat pumps. 2015, 2.5 ton. Here's some more Rheems. These are all heat pumps, like I said before. 2018, 2.5 ton. This one's from 2018, it's also 2.5 ton. Here's a few more. There's a Rheem Stamped Octagon heat pump. This one has the 1999 to 2002 top. This is a 2.5 ton. 2.5 ton from 2000. There's another Rheem platform, or classic. There's a Lennox Merit. Then one final Rheem platform. This one has an LG scroll, this one's a 2-stage. Where's the data?